Replacing car keys used to be simple and inexpensive, but technological advancements have taken key replacement from your corner store to the dealership service department. Here's how Car Keys Express has turned this into an opportunity and created a platform of innovation and growth. Let's take a few minutes to learn how it all started, see where we are now, and take a glimpse at what's to come. All companies start somewhere. For us, it was 2002 on a dining room table in a one-bedroom apartment in Louisville, Kentucky. Back then, the best option for replacing keys was the dealerships. Now, there'd be a new alternative. What started as a bootstrapped microbusiness would become the world's first online store to sell automotive keys and remotes. In 2008, with just a few employees, we bought a second-hand van and experimented with on-site key replacement for car dealerships. But the Great Recession was in full swing. We adapted, developing efficiencies and technologies to reduce prices to meet the requirements of struggling dealerships. We succeeded. Soon, we signed our first major client. We engaged the largest dealership groups and car rental agencies. Using just reinvested profits, within a few years, we were in every major market in America. Then, we faced another challenge. Car makers added more technology, raising costs even higher. Sophisticated keys, once reserved for luxury cars, became common even on bargain models. So we launched an R&D program. Our goals were clear: make our own keys with the added promise of creating retail-friendly, universal products. Years of work and investment paid off with the release of the world's first universal car remote and universal car keys. The universal car remote is now a #1 seller at some of the world's largest retailers. The success of our universal products has become the cornerstone of the Car Keys Express retail ecosystem. A complete line of solutions so retailers of all sizes can finally offer car keys to 280 million North American drivers. For the first time in 30 years, Car Keys Express is bringing real automotive key replacement back to retailers. We're in thousands of dealerships every day. They started to ask for reconditioning services to get their used vehicles like new and ready for sale. Our mobile key business grew us into a nationwide success. Now, by customer demand, we're bringing this proven model to mobile reconditioning. Because we're the only company that manufactures and recycles keys, we have a significant competitive advantage in key replacement, the most challenging and expensive of the reconditioning services. We can take that advantage, combine it with our single vendor business model, and position ourselves to become a dominant player in the multi-billion-dollar reconditioning space. So why choose Car Keys Express? Our core business is growing fast, and we're expanding rapidly. We invested in creating the industry's most diverse client portfolio. More diversity means more opportunities and protects us from changing economic conditions. Each quarter, we serve over 8,000 business customers across North America, representing a broad range of markets, including car dealers, fleets, auctions, rental agencies, distributors, retailers, and consumers. We have great relationships with our clients because they love what we do. We make their lives easier. We get their vehicles on the road faster, and we save them money. Experience. Our entrepreneurial leadership team is the most experienced in the industry. They've led us to thrive in the market's ever-changing landscape, establishing Car Keys Express as the world's largest, most trusted key replacement company, while making us the industry's undisputed thought leader. Thriving in an industry like ours that's constantly and rapidly evolving is an achievement we're proud of. The first online key replacement store, the first discount mobile key service, the first car key recycler, the first universal car remote, the first universal car key, the first car key replacement app, the first car key vending machine. We lead our industry in every way that matters: innovation, customer service, efficiency, pricing, and growth. Our rise has proven what we've known all along, that ours is a uniquely effective team. Over the years, we've built an impressive list of firsts. So join us on our adventure to see which firsts come next.